Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of changing your Zoom password using the Zoom app on your Android phone. Whether for security reasons or updating your login details, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it quickly. First, open the Zoom app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the option labeled My Profile. After that, scroll down until you find the Update Password option. Now, click on Update Password. You will be asked to enter your old password first. After that, type in your new password, and then confirm the new password by entering it again. Finally, click the Save button at the top right corner to complete the process. Thank you for watching this video on changing your Zoom password on Android. Remember, regularly updating your passwords helps keep your account secure. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.